Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my little mini Inktober series. This is episode number 4. Got 2 things to apologize for. First of all, I'm sorry if there's like abrupt cuts or anything because I'm still kind of sick. And I find myself coughing and I just don't really want to cough into the mic and I don't know. Usually I try not to have to cut my audio just because it's a lot easier when you don't have to worry about cutting your audio. But yeah, it's necessary because I really want to get this done. And also, I forgot to hit record for the sketching and inking portion of this, so unfortunately I don't have that much footage, which sucks, but I mean, maybe it's still I feel like the interesting part is the painting part, and I have the whole painting part, so, you get some more or less real-time painting. So that's the trade-off, I guess. I hope you guys enjoy this video anyway. But yeah, this one was just more of a just for me nostalgia trip. When I'm sick, I just like to play old video games or draw with traditional media, usually colored pencil, just because I mean, I can't smell anything right now, but colored pencil smells so good. It just smells like no worries, you know what I mean? That might be kind of a weird thing to say, that colored pencils smell like no worry, but they do. So yeah, this is just a little nostalgia thing. This is my husband's character. When we first met, because we literally met on DeviantArt, long distance, so the easiest way for me to show my love, because I was how old was I? Oh my god, we were I don't know, maybe he was, I feel wow, when did we meet? When? Okay, I'm pretty sure we were both 16, he might have been 15, I think. But yeah, we met a long ass time ago, so whenever I think, when I draw this character or whatever, it just reminds me of the time between 16 and maybe 19, where we were 100% long distance, we'd never met in person before, and yeah, I would draw a lot of stuff for him. I don't draw that much stuff for him anymore, just because I don't draw I might as well tell the whole story now, but at the time, I just drew a lot of Latios and Latias, and there was a whole community and stuff. We all had our OCs, which were I mean, some of them were cooler than just recolors, but mine was just a recolor, but I liked it. And I always thought that his was the coolest one out there, just because, I don't know, it was just so, it was so different, but so just well designed and aesthetically pleasing, and not obnoxious, because I'm sure we've all had our own characters, okay, that were just insane and rainbow obnoxious. Oh my god, saying the word rainbow obnoxious just reminds me of my very first persona. Maybe I should try to draw that in a video, because I sure as shit haven't drawn her traditionally since I was 13 probably. But yeah, just a little nostalgia trip. We had our little community, and I just spent a lot of time drawing this stuff. I don't do that so often anymore, just because, I don't know, it's done its time. I don't want to repeatedly draw the same shapes anymore, so I don't do that super often, but whenever I go back to it, it feels really nice. Those are just really nice times. I thought it was a shit show. I don't know, I feel everybody, I had a weird high school experience, I guess. So I always felt my life was super dramatic, but now I look back and I'm damn, I had a healthy dose of weird social life, and I don't know, I just got to spend a lot of time chatting and drawing and just having fun with my friends. So I just like to think about that and draw it, and just, I don't know, it makes me happy. So yeah, this is that. I just wanted to draw a little gift for my husband, because I love him and I like to draw things for him, but I wish he would just update the character already, but he has very high standards, and I mean, I get it. I get it. So, yeah, maybe I'll just, because, you don't want to push someone to do something, they don't necessarily want to do right now. I don't know. I don't know, but I always look forward to it. I know what it looks like. I just, you know, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I just imagine like drawing. Oh, how can I like? Oh my God, Steven Universe. Okay, like say, you know, like you can't just draw old amethyst. I mean, you can, but like there's new amethyst, and like new amethyst is an active thing. So like, why would you draw old amethyst? You know what I mean? That's just the way I think about it. But I had a lot of fun with this little drawing. I tried to keep it light just because I have I had like a little incident last night, I guess. I have trouble with, because I like contrast a lot, and the way I achieve contrast is by like going dark on the shadows in like, traditionally that sometimes is like very not a great idea, just because if you overdo it, you have to like darken the whole image. So this time I was like, you know what, we're just gonna lightly sketch this and like ink it real simple, and we're just gonna go light on the wash today, and that's gonna be it. So that's what I did, and yep, it was just a very nice, just like what I sat down and I drew for like 45 minutes. It was just a nice little session. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, because I really enjoyed this one. And I'll see you guys for the next episode of my little mini Inktober thing.